Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Shahid Ali Pitafi. I'm the student of Hussain University Jamshoro in English Language Literature Department. So once again, welcome to all of you. We come back for another video. This video is going to be very interesting because today we'll discuss one of subject in our second semester, short fictional narratives, which is totally based on the stories. And today we have brought a story, The Necklace, totally about the fiction. Fiction means it's not a real facts, it's totally imagination of the narrator. So with me, Imran Khan Rahu, he loves storytelling. So I will ask him some question about this story. So let's start with simple one. The Necklace story, actually what about?
Thank you. I'm really excited to share this story. It's short but very powerful. So well, it is about a young woman named Mathilde Loisel. She was pretty and charming, but she was born into a poor family and married to a simple clerk. She always dreamed of luxury, wealth and a glamorous lifestyle, but in reality she lived in modest and boring life.
Oh, she was not happy with what she had.
So exactly, she always felt she deserved better. Fine dresses, beautiful jewelry and a rich life. Her husband tried to keep her happy, but nothing was ever enough to her.
Interesting. So what change came in her life?
One day her husband brings home an invitation to a fancy ball at the ministry. Mathilde should have been thrilled, but instead she got upset because she didn't have a proper dress or jewelry to wear. Her husband sacrificed his savings to buy her a beautiful dress, but still she felt incomplete without jewelry.
So what she did do then?
She borrowed a sparkling diamond necklace from her wealthy friend, Madame Forestier, and at the ball, Mathilde looked stunning. Everyone admired her, and she finally felt like she belonged to that rich world she always dreamed of.
That must have been magical for her.
Yes, it was the happiest night of her life until she discovered that the necklace was missing. She had lost it somewhere after the ball.
Oh no, very interesting story. So what happened then?
She and her husband searched everywhere, but they couldn't find it. Finally, they decided to replace the necklace. It cost them 36,000 francs, which was a fortune at that time. They borrowed money, took loans and fell into treble debt.
So their life changed completely then?
Absolutely. For the next 10 years, Mathilde and her husband lived in extreme poverty. She did all the heavy housework, washing, cleaning, carrying water, bargaining in the market. She lost her beauty, her charm, everything. She became old and rough before her time.
Wow, that's so tragic. But what about the necklace?
Here comes the shocking twist. After 10 years, Mathilde met Madame Forestier again and told her the whole story, how they had suffered to repay the cost of necklace. Madame Forestier revealed the truth. The necklace was fake. It was only worth about 500 francs.
Oh my god, so all her suffering was nothing.
Exactly, that is irony of the story. A fake necklace ruined her entire life because of her vanity and desire to look rich.
That's such a powerful message. So what do we learn from this story?
We learn that we should appreciate what we have instead of chasing appearance. Pride, vanity and greed can destroy our happiness. And honesty is always better. It is, if Mathilde had told the truth, she would have been saved.
Oh, beautiful, sad. Thank you very much for sharing with us video today. So it's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See you next video.